Hello, welcome to Hackers. Today I will teach you how to install Kali Linux. Let's exploit. First open your VMware, then go to File and click on New Virtual Machine. Then here you leave it to typical, then press Next. Then install a disk image file, select this one, then browse and select the ISO file, Kali Linux. Then press Next. Then go for Other and select Other 64-bit. Press Next. Here give it name, Kali Linux, and press Next. Here you have to select disk size, so I will give it 50 GB. Store virtual disk as a single file. Press Next. And then here go for customize hardware. Here give it memory, RAM. I have 8 GB, so I will give it 4. And come to processor. Here whatever you want. It depends on your processor. Then go for network adapter. Here select bridge mode. Then close. Press finish. Then you can see here it is, your machine is ready. Now power on this virtual machine. You go to full screen, go to view, and full screen. To exclusive mode, again go to view, then exclusive mode. Here I will press enter for graphical installation. Here select your language, then your location. Here you select your keyboard. Okay, then here host name, leave it to Kali. Then continue. Domain name, give it empty. Give a username. Okay. I will give it hacker. Then continue. Password. Password, whatever you want for this hacker user. Then here you have to configure your clock. Here guided use entire disk. Then here it will be selected automatically. Then continue. All files in one partition as recommended. Then continue. Finish the part. Here select this one. Finish the partitioning and write changes to disk. Press continue. Write changes to disk. Select yes. Press continue. Don't skip the video. Follow all the steps carefully, otherwise the installation will be failed. Now it will take some time. Stay connected. Don't forget to subscribe and like and share with your friends. Okay, here you have to select. If you want more tools, then you have to select this large. Check this large. I usually check this one, but for this installation I will not use it. it will take more time. Okay, then press continue. It depends on you. You can check or uncheck it, then continue. It will take a long time, so I will skip this. I will continue when it comes to end. As you can see, it comes to an end. I will continue. Now it's done. Now it's time for bootloader. Just last step. Yes, here you have to select yes. I want it my primary right. Then select this one. Just continue. And it will be done. As you can see, the installation is finishing. Now press continue. Then it will reboot your system, as you can see. Then press enter. Then go to full screen. Then go for exclusive mode. Installation is finished. You can see the Kali Linux logo. Then here you have to put your username and the password. Then just log in. That's all. Now you can use your Kali Linux. Now I will see you in our next video. Stay connected. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share with your friends. Thank you. See you in our next video.